Pagmata sa buntag, sunrise sa dagat, golden ang kahayag, murag heaven's touch. Hangin nga presko, palayo sa stress. Island life diri, simply the best. Mga bata nagdula sa baybayon, samtang ang balod nagawit sa panahon. Every little moment feels so right, living in paradise under island light. From the mountains to the sea, this is where I'm meant to be. Sa Limasawa akong kalipay, every day feels like a holiday. Limasawa Island vibes, feel the rhythm, feel alive. Sayaw ta sa moonlight glow, let the island spirit flow. Limasawa Island vibes, together under tropical skies. From sunrise until the night, shining bright like island lights. Dini nagsugod ang usa ka kasaysayan, unang misang agi sa ulog sa nasod natong minahal. A place of faith, a place of pride, Limasawa story will never hide. Tourists come from far away to see the beauty every day. Crystal waters, peaceful shore, makes you wanna stay some more. Every smile, every song makes you feel that you belong. Sa Limasawa akong kalipay, island dream both night and day. Limasawa Island vibes, feel the rhythm, feel alive. Sayaw ta sa moonlight glow, let the island spirit flow. Limasawa Island vibes, together under tropical skies. From sunrise until the night, shining bright like island lights. Raise your hands up to the sky, feel the freedom, let it fly. Bisaya sa kalibutan.